Okay, welcome to Thursday, 30th of March 2023, and the bid continues. And you can see here DAX up, 0.84 on the market. You're seeing Euro stocks up 0.91 here, and Dow is following up in the pre market here at 0.44% up. Bund having a really big rally here to the upside, up to that 136.77s, double tap, no can do above there, back down to 135.83s, we'll call it. So let's see. We had really broadly CPIs coming out of the provinces in Germany this morning, coming in really soft misses across the board. Same in Spain, coming out drop in Spanish CPIs and harmonized CPIs. And then we're getting Bavaria, a little bit mixed, but broadly misses on the CPI. So inflation receding across Europe as we go across this morning's session. So the big show today, though, however, guys, is definitely US GDP to come. And we'll look through to these US markets. And, look, we are chucks ahoy to the upside. I did say that this was going to happen. Stopped on the bund there at the 50. This is going down. So we're long the euro here until we get to GDP out of the US. Nasdaq, very difficult to get on the bid here for some. But we have been, broadly looking to get long these markets yesterday, and I think we may have a little bit of respite from the buying today. But lovely opportunities yesterday on the Dow here. We look at this. We were looking at the PVAH to come in. You see,
get Eurozone consumer confidence final.
Just quite squawk here. We did look at this area. I drew this on yesterday in our pre-market technical look ahead, and sure enough, BAMO to the upside we go. Ian, pre-market was one of the traders here was looking for shorts around the open, and we had a broad discussion about, would you rather be on the shorts or the longs? And I was definitely promoting the longs, and sure enough, there you go. But there was a lot of meat on the bone for shorts and longs yesterday in the market. Just depends on your duration, really, for your trade. And so, look, I think we're going to 33,209s on the Dow here. And listen, if you're wondering, well, what about the recession? What about the banking crisis? Newsflash: it's over. It's over. Silicon Valley Bank yesterday opened up. 2 days ago, actually. Silicon Valley Bank. Here it is. It's now trading on the SIVPQ handle, and this, as of yesterday, 2 days ago, mega selling on the reopen, down from $4.50. down, putting in a low of 1 cent. 1 cent on Tuesday. Wednesday, we were up 130 or 165% yesterday at around this point. Well, certainly at this point, it's up 175%. So listen, buy the dip on Silicon Valley Bank, right? A couple of the guys in here have been buying the dips on some of these US banks like First Republic, FRC, doing pretty well out of that, I would say. Currently trading at about $14.26 on the close. Anyway, I think we're going higher. I think we're going much higher. Not without a wee bit of a pullback here. We've got some serious levels about to trade, but look at it here on the S&P. You can see that, it's been nice. We're just going to, I think, bid up now through to the 41.18s and higher here. The dip has been bought. Let's go. So for technical areas where we're looking to get long and short any of these and all of these markets, you want to be on our 145 daily tech call on Discord. And that's where we really hunt down where we're going to make money in these markets every day. All right, guys. Oil, look, I think there was a big rejection yesterday. It was sort of a news failure type of trade in that we actually did have quite a bullish DOE, came in even deeper of a drawdown. The API was draw of 6.196 million, I think, and the DOE came through as a draw of 7.1. Also, the distillate stocks, pretty healthy draw as well. But look, the market just rejected the hell out of it. And now I think, 72.67s tally ho to the upside. I think we're targeting 75.88 here on this one. So, 75.96 is even. Let's go. But I'm not trading too much oil at the moment. I'm really focused on this European equities and bond picture and US. Long the euro here, loving it this morning. Don't know if I'm going to hold it all the way through to the US GDP at 1/2 today. But yeah, so really, honestly, if you want to trade these markets, you got to be on our 145 call on Discord. All right, guys, have a good session. See you later.
Apollo 11, this is Houston. You are confirmed to go for orbit. Roger.